Hello guys, my name is Destiny Shaver and today I'm going to be presenting cancer to you guys, so let's jump into it. So what is cancer? Cancer is a disease caused by an uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in a part of the body. There are all types of cancer. The most common types are skin cancer, sarcoma, squamous cell skin cancer, lymphoma, multiple myeloma, leukemia, ovarian cancer, pancreatic cancer, and thyroid cancer. So the prevalence rate for cancer, also known as a global killer, affects men and women at a different rate. Kind of what you see in this picture right here, where men are infected with lung, prostate, colorectal, pancreatic, and liver, and women are affected with lung, breast, colorectal, pancreatic, and ovarian. There are more than 100 types of cancers. Any part of the body can be affected. The most frequent types of cancers worldwide are presented in the male and female body, kind of like what you see in this picture now. So the occurrence of cancer occurs when normal cells multiply faster than normal. They lose their ability to differentiate and have diminished cell death rates. Cancer cells are primitive in that they haven't grown up and become skin, bone, liver, or uterus. Or in medical terms, they are undifferential. Kind of like what you see in this picture, you have the normal cell divisions, and you see a damaged cell, which is also called the cell death or apoptosis, turns into multiple cell cancer cell divisions and they begin to multiply. So, what are the symptoms and signs of cancer? There are plenty more symptoms. It all depends on what kind of cancer you have, but here are some of the symptoms. You experience fatigue, hoarseness, lump or area of thickening that can be felt under the skin, difficulty swallowing, unexplained bleeding or bruising, unexplained muscle or joint pain, changes in bowel or bladder habits, unexplained fevers or night sweats, indigestion or discomfort after eating, persistent cough or trouble breathing, skin changes such as yellowing, darkening, or redness of the skin, sores that won't heal, or changes to existing moles. And this is just some of the symptoms. It depends on what kind of cancer you have that affects the body, which causes your symptoms and signs. So some health consequences are local growth, which is normal cells are inhibited in their growth rate by contact with each other, spread to other sites. For example, a cancerous tumor is a chaotic place where genetic mutations occur, causing it to spread if not treated. You go through weight loss, which occurs in up to 80% of people with cancer, and a decreased resistance to infection, which the immune system starts to deteriorate. So how to prevent cancer? For one, let's check the scale, which I mean by you have to stay within the healthy weight according to the body mass index. Avoid calories. Calories contribute to the body so that it performs all its functions, but if we give it more than the count accumulates them as reserve to the form of fat. Fruit and veggies. It is known that these foods contain a high percentage of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that protect against certain types of cancer. Meats. They can damage the wall of the large intestines, causing to form cancer. Alcohol is harmful to the body and affects the functioning of cells. It can directly damage the DNA of cells. Set aside the salt shaker. Salt raises the blood pressure, and irritates the gastric mucosa. It could be related to stomach cancer. And taking vitamin supplements. Drinking fruit every day, you can get your right amount of vitamins through that, or even eating fruit once a day can help you prevent cancer. So, how to treat cancer? You can go through surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, stem transplant, or hormone therapy, or targeted therapy. Now, for surgery, when used to treat cancer, surgery is a procedure in which a surgeon removes cancer from your body. For radiation therapy, is a type of cancer treatment that uses high doses of radiation to kill cancer cells and shrink tumors. For chemotherapy, is a type of cancer treatment that uses drugs to kill cancer cells. For targeted therapy, is a type of cancer treatment that targets the changes in cancer cells that help them grow, divide, and spread. For hormone therapy, It is a treatment that slows or stops the growth of breast and prostate cancers that use hormones to grow. And for stem cell transplant, this is a procedure that restores blood-forming stem cells in cancer patients who have had theirs destroyed by very high doses of chemotherapy or radiation therapy. And a quick fun fact is the word cancer is related to the Greek word crab because its finger-like projections were similar to the shape of the crab, as you can see in this picture right here. This is quite interesting because I never knew that the word cancer originated from the Greek word. But that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation and learned something new. Thank you.